Then I'm on 4. Da, si.
Wait, I mean, let's roll back. Okay. I've seen some reharms where they do like tritone substitutions. So we've done a chord substitution.
Okay.
They also tritone substitutions. I think in Donnie McClurkin's recent version of My Help.
My Help. Okay.
Yeah, that was a part. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So this.
Yeah, that.
Oh! Then.
I thought you were gonna go down the part.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, let's take it back to guys. I mean, we don't want to get carried away. I want to make sure that he breaks everything down. Yeah, and this.
Okay.
All right, so let's roll back to. Yeah. Okay, so what's happening here? Because we would expect the original to go to a 5.
No more 5.
Right. So what is informing? I mean, I don't know what Trent had in mind, but yeah, let's see why.
So I think this was he was trying to play an E flat major 7 from where I am looking at it.
So you're 5.
So the 5, the major 7 of the 5.
Okay. Okay, so he's playing the 5 and substituting.
Yeah.
Doing a tritone substitution there.
Yeah.
To the 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it again. This time slowly for our viewers.
The same thing you did. Yeah, so I think that's basically what he wanted to.
Phew, that's fantastic. What else do you have?
So there is this exercise that I used to do, which I mean, it's just my personal exercise. Right. I don't know if it works for everyone. Let's say I take a song like Danase and I try to run Danase over the major scale. So so let's say in E flat. So basically trying to get chords for every note that I get to. So so then the 7 won't work, so then I'll do then I'm on 4.
Wait, let's roll back because... Quick pause. If you're enjoying this video and getting value from it, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Many people who watch this channel are not subscribed, and that one click goes a long way to help us bring you more valuable content. Thanks for the support. Now back to the video. Yeah, I don't want to.
So that's what actually influenced my journey, like just picking notes inside the major scale, trying to get chords for it. So yeah, I mean.
Okay, so you're doing like a one. So wait, you're walking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. While playing the same melody.
Yeah.
All right. So let's try it this way without the voicings. So the melody on your right.
Yeah.
And then just.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so for this, so then I'll play it such a way that the 7, because if I'm going to harmonize the 7 on the one, that would be a bit out. So yeah, so like
all right, for my international viewers, Dana says a local song in Ghana. It's a local worship song. It means give thanks to God.
Okay.
Give thanks. That's what the song is about.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's.
Yeah. So basically, that's what I was doing. So.
All right.
So.
Oh. Wait, so this time, so do you always start on the 3 on your left? So, I mean, if someone wants to practice this, do they start on the 3?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. The 1, yeah, right. Then 2, 3, 4. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, so the cycle is such that the next time you come, you're not starting on the same.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Oh, right. That makes sense.
Yeah, so I mean, depending on the chord, my chord library. This man is just. So I think the 3 works at the beginning. Now I'm at 6. Then 7.
So what's informing the voicings?
I don't know much about music theory, but then so let's say
this guy says he doesn't know anything about music theory, but like the kind of things he plays. Unless maybe angels are the ones putting his
so I mean for the 3, on the melody, the normal 3 chord for F, E flat, then a 4. So say for this one you're safe. This
right.
Yeah. It's a C minor 7 at 11. So the 7. because my melody is ending on 1 and my root is on 2. So now I have to find a chord, probably in F, that has this note. So that's like an F minor 7.
Right.
Yeah, so that's all I just did. So from the 4 and then my melody still being on the 1. That's a straight 4 chord, unless you want to do something else.
Oh.
Yeah, so I mean that's one way I used to practice to get really abreast with the chords for reharm. Yeah, that's one exercise I was doing. So I recommend it to you if you can.
I would personally do these exercises because yeah, I mean I like reharm. I just don't like reharm where it changes the character of the song.
Yeah.
Sometimes you find musicians getting overexcited when doing some of these things. I mean, of course, there's a place for that, but I believe you can reharmonize a song and still not deviate from the original intention.
Yeah.
So what are some tips you would give to beginners who want to learn how to reharmonize some of their favorite songs?
Well, I think the first thing I would recommend is you start simple. I mean, it takes little steps at a time. So just start simple, your the very basic chords that you know. Yeah, you start with that. And then, I mean, let's say if you want to reharmonize a song and you are starting to do it, you can't reharmonize the whole song at a go. I mean, you start by maybe just saying, okay, for you, again, did a miracle so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. For you are great. Then back to the song again. Like you, there is no. I mean, that's simple. So I mean, it gets very accepted and I mean absorbed by everyone listening to it, because you don't want to reharmonize it and then everyone is just looking at you, you're distracting worship and all that. Yeah, I think that's one tip I would recommend.
Right.
And always keep the melody. It's as important as the thing you're doing. The melody, because I mean I can play a whole lot of chords and changes.
Maybe they don't believe you, so try play a section of a song simply and then reharmonize it without the melody, so they see how.
Okay.
Even with For You Are Great.
Yeah.
You agree?
So.
Without the melody.
No, without the melody. For you I mean, no one knows I'm playing.
Yeah,
for you, okay.
Yeah. It could be any song.
Yeah.
It could be I love you, Lord.
Exactly. So I mean, for you, okay. I mean, I've still changed the chords, but you still hear that I'm playing For You Are Great. Yeah. So that's one key thing also that you should take note of. So starting simple, keeping the melody, and I recommend listening to arrangers and like great musicians. That's one thing that has helped me in particular, me and my the guys I play with. I mean, we're always listening to guys on YouTube, JP, these guys, Kelvin Bond.
Yeah.
I mean, I grew up listening to Integrity music down to Ketka, Mata Munizi down to, so I mean, I've heard so many different kinds of music, and I've listened to so many great producers as well.
Yeah.
And I learn a lot from them. So I mean, just also learn a lot from them, see how they play, and not just transcribing what they play, understanding where they are coming from
Right.
is also very important. I mean, you can understand it and not even necessarily learn the same movement, but you'll be able to do great things with that thing that you understand more than just trying to learn the piece note to note and then later it's like, okay, I'm done with the song now, I'm playing my own song. I can't even apply one chord I learned in there, then you might as well not learn it at all. Yeah, so I think those are the three things I would recommend. Starting simple, keeping the melody, and also listening to great arrangers and producers.
I mean, we played My Help. I mean, it was
Exactly.
It was by the same people who played the original.
The original, yeah.
And they reharmonized it on the recent version of the song.
Yeah.
So if you follow, I mean, such producers and all that, it also enlightens you and then helps you to understand even the process behind some of these reharmonizations. And like you said, you should, while learning from someone, you should also have in mind how you're going to apply it to any song at all. For me, if you can learn, I mean, all the principles, all the most difficult stuff or most complex things, but if you cannot apply it to another song, then you've not really learned it well. All right, Isaac, thanks for being.
Thanks too for having me
on the channel. Guys, I really don't want Isaac to go.
I've always been running away from the cameras. Really? Well, I mean, thanks to Pastor, I call him Pastor Dan, for giving me this opportunity. It's my first time on camera doing something like this, and I mean,
guys, so Isaac is not just a pianist; he's just not an aux player. He's a music producer.
Yeah.
So, where can I find you? Handles, social media handles.
My full name, isaac.obiri.siaw. It cuts across IG. IG is isaac.obiri.siaw. Facebook, isaac.obiri.siaw. I think, Twitter, isaac.obiri.siaw.
Go and worry him.
I mean, I love teaching, so I mean, anytime guys have difficulties, so I actually do teach them.
Yeah.
Whenever I get a chance, so I mean, you can just DM me.
Yeah.
And we'll take it from there.
If you love this episode and you would want to see more features, more producers, engineers, pianists featured on the show, I mean, put it in the comments. And then also, if you want Isaac back to break to break down or to reharmonize some more songs for you, put it right there in the comments, and I'll make sure he gets back here. Yeah. All right, so that's it from us. Keep breaking it down, keep studying, and keep doing great things. Yes! Somebody shout it down.